I've had to edit some shit out before.
That's why we're happy that you're editing, sir.
All right, we made it. Tx4 round 2. Rockdale, Thorndale. What Dale are we at?
Dale.
We're at Dale, Texas. Dale, Texas. We got an impersonator. Goes by Alex today,
AKA
this week. AKA
Amish.
Amish, old Amish. And we're gonna get the toter unloaded, get everything out, get ready to go. We got Zakos. He's getting loaded, unloaded, whatever you call it. All right, we'll see y'all in a little bit. Zakos, he wouldn't be walking out here in these socks at that last track, would he?
No. Yeah. Shit, you gotta be careful. There's a little.
Zakos, he's down.
He's down.
Race day, Tx4 round 2. Trying to get all the bikes fired up. Everybody's having a little bit of cranking issues. I think 3 of them run. Everything's frozen. It's a crisp 29 degrees this morning. James is still in bed. We're just out here trying to get everything warmed up and going for the day. We'll see how it goes. A couple guys having some bike issues. Kids are getting down. Let's see where the day takes us. James K's taking his application to Waffle House. It's a video resume.
Bitch, I'm going to Shoguns. I got powdered sugar on my bread. No problem, sir. Goes back there and fucking.
That's going on YouTube.
Jerry, John, Guthrie. I don't know who that guy is. JT. There's Zakos. Jerry. Toby's riding my bike because he broke a throttle cable whenever he pulled up, so I gave him mine, let him race.
Like a disappointment? Like I let my parents down? I'm glad they're dead. They don't have to hear about this.
What a dick.
But thanks for bringing it up, Guthrie. I'm all good.
Bye.
Damn, you know. That was time or I'm done. I was like, please, I didn't hear the That's the first one to run. That's a long
John, what do you think about it? Damn, you crashed?
Either case ever came loose or the shippers came on the bolt. So I got all the wrenches here.
It'll happen.
I was save my energy and pass this motherfucker.
Y'all put up a hell of a fight. It was back and forth. It looked good.
You mean him?
Did he pass him at the end?
We would have finished. We would have finished neck and neck, but I stopped because I thought my wheel was coming off.
Is that the...
I know, dude.
Let me see.
I got fucking
God damn.
Oh
shit.
This is why I drive first place.
This is... I'm going to be honest with you. You're a minute and a half behind JT at least.
That far?
Oh boy, this is going to be fun.
Open C. First place, JTK.
Woo! That's my baby!
Twice his age, Matt Horton.
That's my baby right there, number one.
Third place, Mr. Guthrie Johnson.
Woo!
Are you regretting inviting this kid out or what?
No. He deserves it. He rode hard.
I was thinking you brought out a ringer so you get some Skidmark on the podium, but
Last two races, Skidmark has been on the podium.
First and third.
First and third.
awesome. Well, congratulations to you. Thanks for being up here today.
All these guys, Kent Skidmark, James K, Toby K, Jay McFarland, James Zankos, all these guys. This guy right here.
Fuck John.
I mean, we all have
That we do, so we're glad to have you on.
Oh, what about, I forgot Jimmy.
Safety technician.
Safer. I feel comfortable.
Jimmy, are you not memorable for him or what?
Man, I don't even want to get started with this shit.
Camp Cook, don't even get remembered.
Oh, yeah. We have a lot of fun.
Well, congratulations, man. Good job. Mr. Hood. I'm wonderful. How are you? I'm doing good. You're doing better than me. I couldn't walk after 2 hours of racing. I don't know how you do this.
Well, that first class is a little faster than you want them to be, I can tell you that.
Yeah, there's another guy in your class, another guy, and he checked out on that first lap, and I think he just, it was gone.
When this guy passed me, we were in the trees, and I never saw him coming to sneak on there, and I was like, where did he come from? I don't really look back there twice, but once he come around, he was gone.
He was definitely moving. We may have to reclassify this one, so we'll look at some lap time soon enough and make that decision. But
That's my baby.
It's good to have some Skidmark racers in the afternoon race too, so we'll make that happen. Who do you want to thank to be out here, Matt?
Blake and Obi for always keeping it together, 380 Motorsports, you guys for putting on a great show, Florida back, and my wife for always helping me out.
Awesome. Congratulations. What are you not saying? I tried to get him, sorry. Tried to set it up. Well, how was it? First race with us?
Pretty good.
That's all you got?
Pretty good. I'd say it's pretty damn good, but did you have fun?
Yes, sir.
Awesome. Well, who do you think for being out here?
Oh, good old Camp Skidmark.
That's my baby.
Who are you going to thank?
I think your buddy, right?
Oh yeah. Cause Mama ain't here.
Oh, man, I'm sorry. I just got to go with the flow on that one. So, well, good job. Congratulations. And, first